It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
It snowed. It's still snowing right now, but not very much. So it's supposed to snow more in the afternoon and more tonight. So we should get more snow than this. But this is what we got for now. And I don't know what to do. I guess I can go drive the quad, but first I'm going to drive the RC car. Because, yeah. And then we have a giant hill down there. And then we're going to maybe go down that. Or one of these road hills. I don't know why. Can't hit my stupid button with gloves on. This will be a separate video than the video that you guys already saw, but it's on the same day. Battery's charging for that. That's why that window's open. But I know I put the GoPro mount on here, and I hit a stump and it just went flying off, and I broke my body, so my body's all destroyed back here, so it just can come off if I pull it up. So I'm just gonna have to record like this, so you guys can see pretty good. So yeah, the mount just went flying off, and I tried to put it back on, and yeah, it didn't work. So it's not gonna drive that good because I wish it was faster. It's not. Oh. Never mind. Okay, it just. Oh, there's probably a lot of snow in it. Or battery. Yeah. It's packed with snow now. It doesn't drive, or it's not driving. I think the snow turned it off. So. Yeah, it's pretty packed with snow. Really packed with snow. I'm gonna disconnect that battery. Flip it upside down. Do this. I got some of the snow out, but I'm just gonna let it just do its thing and melt. It's pretty warm in here, so it should melt fast. More quad videos coming soon in the snow. You all seem to hate Can-Ams. Not sure why, but if I were you, I'd be hating this off-brand quad more than that. This looks sucks. So yeah.